In this video I'll be breaking down the rear brake caliper, cleaning the two halves before painting them and then reassembling. So I've put that plug in the feed hose hole, that's the M10 one, and take out the 4 bolts holding the two halves of the caliper together. Once the two halves are open, it's important to note that there's a raised part on each piston. So this is a raised part here, and the raised part is here. So I'll take a photograph to note the alignment. Next you can remove the dust cover. You can use compressed air to push the piston out, but I don't have that, so I have to just lever it gently out with a screwdriver. There it goes. There we go. That piston will clean up quite well. So now we just get a very small screwdriver and just gently remove that oil seal. There we go. And that's all ready now for cleaning. Next we can mask off the cylinder area and also these sealing areas before we clean it. After we have masked off the areas, we can now wire wheel the outside surfaces in preparation for paint. I'll do the cleaning outside because of the brake dust. Warm the parts prior to painting. For painting the calipers I use VHT paint. Remove the masking from the calipers. The internal balls of the cylinders look in good condition. Apply a small amount of brake fluid inside the cylinder and also onto the seal. And then insert the seal into the groove. Next, put a little bit of oil on the dust cover and place the dust cover onto the piston. Next, put some oil on the piston. The raised portion is here with that step there. Goes halfway between the two lugs on this one. Like that. And then push the piston into the caliper. And then press on the dust seal. So next we need to clean the calipers. Next we can put a little bit of brake fluid on the two seals. Then we can put the two halves of the caliper together. Four bolts have been tightened in place, and that's it. Caliper ready for the brake pads. I like to apply a small amount of copper grease onto the back face. And also to the side faces. So next we can remove the brake bleeder. And replace with a new one. 9mm spanner. In the next video we will start the assembly.